Good afternoon. I'm here with a doctor, an entrepreneur, and a philanthropist, Dr. Jijo Domiji. Thank you, sir, for having us. He's the managing director of JJ Group of Companies. So, sir, can you briefly explain what your company does?
Yeah, thank you. See, actually, basically I'm a dentist. So I started dental products last 20 years. We started a company in 2006 for producing dental braces. That's called JJ Orthodontics. So that is a replacement for a lot of dental braces in India. And after 10 years, around 2015, and dental implants also be produced in the name of JJ Implants. So these two products are produced in India and indigenously developed for a replacement for other import products. And this product has all certification for export because both JJ Orthodontics and JJ Implant have 80% exports to other countries like Middle East, North America, South America, and I can say even in Africa, wherever the human beings are there, because as you know, the braces are very important part of beauty. So this product is using everywhere in the world. So and that was our small description about two companies we started in Kerala.
So, doctor, how did you get into this industry? How did you come to know this industry?
Yeah, because I am a dentist, my family is basically business people. My father is in local business of oil business. So when I was studying about dentistry also, my mind was full of business ideas, how to start a new business. So when I was in my final year, I developed some of the dental products indigenously, like filling materials and other things. But still, when I finished my graduation, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, definitely I was thinking some other business. I never know about there are a lot of opportunity in our dentistry. So once I met one of my friend, he told me that once you get into business, you should know the field. So better you can try some products in your field, in your area. So that is what I found. I was assisting a dental surgeon. He was doing the braces. He was very famous in Kerala. He was doing only the braces in patients. He's very special. He's an orthodontist. That we call orthodontist. So once he was trying this, we discussed about how can we develop this product. So it was very difficult actually because this nobody is manufacturing in India this product. So that was a big challenge. But once you develop, you can actually conquer the complete orthodontic industry here. So I was studying, mostly people now that time Google it, where this is available. So I just start with where the machine is getting. So I got an idea. The machine is available in Germany, the raw materials are available in Japan, and the furnace available in USA. So I just planned for just getting it. Whatever the efforts we have to put it into that, we have to get the final product. So we visited Germany and stay there 1 week, and they also giving me a lot of information. They show me the machine, how it works, and the cost, and a small idea about it. And they also give me some idea about how to make it. They know some idea. So I got 50% idea from them. Then I went to Japan to get the raw material because this raw material is very very secret because this is a metal powder mixed with plastic. So nobody knows that time in 2005. So they already agreed to give me that material, and that part also given. And also we need a furnace, very expensive furnace to cinder it. That's we call it cinder. So that time I went to US also and stay there. At least I think I went there to try some samples because once I get the raw material, I mold it in Germany and take the parts and go to US to get it cindered in that furnace. Then only it will come to metal, look like metal. So that time it's happened, and I wait 2 weeks, I think 3 weeks. Then they send it and give me, and I tested in US because I know some people in US, some doctors, and it was successful that time. So that was the beginning. So I took around 3 years to develop this product. So that time nobody is manufacturing in India, and only in the world I think only 5-6 people were producing that time, 2005, and it was very complicated process. So finally I came back, and we made around 10,000 sets, and we tried to give to doctor, and there was a great support from the doctors. Everybody is calling for the products. I also surprised. Then that was my start. So that product actually import replacement. That time they are importing from China, they are importing from US and all. So once they get it at half the price, that time it was 2,000 rupees, and we are selling 4,000 rupees. So people are getting good quality product in a half price. So definitely they support us, and many orthodontists are really supporting for some. They have their own testimonials for our products, and more than that, this is a Make in India project, and I invited them to visit our factory, and they see that, they feel it, the product is good, and they, mouth to mouth, many doctors have started to use it. So that was the way I started this, and one of the things, my passion for business and my passion for research on manufacturing, and moreover my family is from a business and always craving for a business that time. So
Doctor, can you show the different products that you're making in your company?
yeah. So these are the products which normally understand by a orthodontist, because it's all orthodontic products. You might have seen many youngsters are putting this braces on their tooth, and you can also see many youngsters has put this not metal, this is by ceramic. So we started with the metal initially, now we started with the ceramic. So this is not visible to other people. And this is our new product called Selfie. The brand name is Selfie. The advantage is that there is a special lock on that, automatic lock. In the all bracket there was no lock. So we have developed, I think only 3 people has developed this in the world now. Now this is a hotkey for us. The Selfie Plus is available all over these countries, and this is selling worldwide. And this is an Ocean, the brand name. As I explained, this is also the same thing, the braces only. But braces in a different designs. It's here.
So doctor, what are the difficulties you face during this journey?
Yeah, as you know, for an entrepreneur, a successful entrepreneur, they have many unsuccessful years. I heard about it. The same thing happened to me also, 3 years. The 2 major things, one is the technology and second is the finance. Like technology, I already explained to you, it was a difficult process. Took 3 years to get the product out. And the second thing, when I starting here, now banks are allowing to give me a loan. Why? This product is very new. Nobody has done in India. They are not confident that whether this money I can develop and generate a business for them. So I think I went to all the banks in Chalakudi. Nobody has supported except one South Indian bank manager. He was very efficient and he was supporting me. And he told me, okay, this is 72 lakhs loan. Still I remember 72 lakh. I will just send to the head office. But 3 months there was no response. So I tried to contact him many times, but he said I didn't get any reply. So I went and met him one day. He told me, you go and meet the chairman. I'm not getting any reply from him. Then next day I went to and met him and explained everything. The next day I got the loan. So that was the experience from the bank that time, because this is common to everybody.
Okay, doctor. 5 years from now, where do you see yourself and your company? Where do you think the company is going?
Yeah, that is a good question. And every entrepreneur is looking for his growth in the next 5 to 10 years, how it happened. Same thing. My 5-year plan is that whatever the revenue we are getting now, we want to make it double for the next 5 years. We have a lot of long-term plans and goals to reach next 5 years, and adding new products. And we are in dental field, and we are doing orthodontics and implants. And my next 5 years project I was in mind is a toothpaste to introduce in the market. It is a totally different field, but like oral cleaning products like toothpaste, mouthwash, toothbrushes. This is my next plan to get into the market.
Small piece of advice from your experience for young upcoming entrepreneurs.
Yeah, that was very important for the new entrepreneurs. And if somebody is going to manufacture some products, my advice is to select a product. Select a product is very important. Do not copy what somebody is doing. Do not take a product which is in market, like what happened in Kerala. One time, one person started a footwear. Another 50 people started next 3 years because of rubber is available. So same thing, they copied it and they destroyed the market. So once you come out of your classes, and you can search for product which is not competitive and which is a import replacement, and make a good Make in India project. So that will be successful, and there should be a good margin in the product, and you should study the product at least 1 year, how the product is manufacturing and what is the margin and the marketing ideas, all things. And once you decide it, never ever give up. That is my advice to all the youngsters and entrepreneurs coming to the next generation business.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for spending your valuable time. And I'm sure this is going to help all the upcoming young entrepreneurs. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.